Is the universe a fake? In 2024, the James Webb Space Telescope captured a group of galaxies that technically shouldn't exist, and honestly, NASA is just staying silent. It's starting to look like our entire understanding of the cosmos is dead wrong, and the whole universe might just be the inside of a giant black hole. What's outside that black hole? Is there another universe out there? Take a look at this deep field image from Webb. Tucked away in this sea of stars is a galaxy called Alakananda. Scientists studied it and found a perfectly structured disk with two elegant spiral arms wrapping around a dense core. It's about 30,000 light-years wide. Sounds familiar? Yeah, it looks almost exactly like our Milky Way. But here's the problem. This galaxy should not be there because it's way too old. Webb is seeing this galaxy as it was over 10 billion years ago, right near the dawn of time. According to every textbook we have, galaxies back then should have been messy, chaotic clouds of gas. But instead, this thing shows up looking like it's wearing a tuxedo and ready for a gala. And the worst part? Alakananda isn't a one-off. The more Webb looks, the more it finds these mature, impossible galaxies everywhere in the early universe. Think about it like this. You're digging up an ancient tomb from thousands of years ago, and you find a brand new iPhone 17. You'd be freaked out, right? The entire astronomy world is losing it. But to understand why scientists are so stressed, we need to cover the basics. You know gravity, right? The farther things are, the weaker the pull. The Sun grips Mercury tight but barely holds onto Pluto. That logic should apply to galaxies too. Stars at the edge are far from the center, so they should move slower. But back in the 70s, astronomer Vera Rubin noticed something wrong. Stars at the edge were moving just as fast as the stars in the middle. Imagine being on the very edge of a high-speed merry-go-round. Without a massive force holding you, you'd be slammed into a wall. Those stars should be flying off into deep space, but they stay perfectly in line. So, scientists figured something invisible was helping out, and they called it dark matter. It's an honest name because we have no clue what it is. We can't see it, so we call it dark. But its gravity is real. Experts estimate that dark matter makes up about 27% of everything, while the stuff we can actually see is only about 5%. That means every star, planet, and galaxy we've ever studied is less than 1/20th of the total universe. Based on this dark matter theory, scientists wrote a script for how galaxies form. After the Big Bang, hydrogen and helium floated around. Dark matter clumped together to create gravity traps, and gas was pulled in to create stars. It was supposed to be a slow, step-by-step process. Early galaxies should have been small, messy, and cold. Then Webb showed up and ripped that script to shreds. Besides those early mature galaxies, Webb found a beast called Y1, over 13 billion light-years away. This galaxy's dust is insanely hot, and its star-forming speed is ridiculous. It pumps out 180 new suns every year. Our Milky Way only makes about one. That's 180 to 1. In an era where the universe was supposed to be dark and cold, Y1 is running at full capacity like it's on steroids. And it gets weirder. Traditional theory says there was a cosmic dark age with no stars and freezing gas until the first stars heated everything up. This is called reionization. But new data shows the gas was already warm before the stars even showed up. This means some mysterious energy source was preheating the universe. The story doesn't stop there. Recent studies suggest the expansion of the universe might actually be slowing down. Yeah, you heard that right. Slowing down. That's a massive twist because we thought it was accelerating. If this keeps up, the universe might stop expanding, start shrinking, and eventually crush everything back into a single point. It's called the Big Crunch. It's the Big Bang in reverse. Everything starts at a point and ends at a point. It's a clean ending, though I doubt humans will be around to see the credits roll. There's even crazier data suggesting the universe isn't expanding the same way in every direction. That breaks the core rule of cosmology. which says the universe should look the same no matter where you look. And get this, there's evidence the universe might have had a spin at the very beginning. If that's true, it leads to a wild hypothesis. Our entire universe might be the interior of a massive black hole. Just let that sink in. A black hole is an object so dense that not even light can escape. Nobody knows what happens inside. But if we are inside one, then outside that black hole is another universe, which might have its own black holes containing even more universes. It's like a cosmic Russian doll that never ends. Of course, this is just a theory. We don't have hard proof yet. But the beauty of science is that no idea is too crazy as long as it doesn't break the laws of physics. Looking at the nature of the universe, there are a few big ideas. One says the universe had a definite start, the Big Bang, and before that, there was no time or space. It's simple, but it leaves us with the awkward question: what triggered the bang? Another view says the universe is eternal, with no beginning or end, just cycling through bangs and crunches like a beating heart. Or maybe, at the highest level, it's completely stable and we only see local ripples. Then there's the multiverse idea. Our universe might just be a bubble in a higher dimensional space filled with countless other bubbles. In one universe, light might be twice as fast. In another, gravity might not exist at all. Some might not even have matter, just pure energy. It's enough to make your head spin. Webb is like a kid poking holes in a paper wall. Every time we think we understand the cosmos, it throws a curveball. If you think we are close to an answer, you're wrong. Every answer reveals two new questions. Can we ever truly understand the universe? Or is the truth simply beyond the limits of human intelligence? To be honest, I don't know. But I think that's what makes it so fascinating. If the universe were a book you could finish in one sitting, it would be boring. Right now, Webb is flipping the pages, and every page is covered in exclamation points and question marks. We live in an incredible era. A few centuries ago, we thought Earth was the center. A few decades ago, we thought there was only one galaxy. Now, we are looking back 13 billion years at galaxies that shouldn't even be there. Maybe one day we'll find the ultimate answer. Or maybe we'll realize we were asking the wrong questions all along. But either way, the journey is the best part. In this massive, endless void, we are the only species looking up and asking why. And honestly, that alone is a miracle. Alright, that's it for today. If our universe really is inside a black hole, what do you think is on the outside? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.